you have two options when getting your light sport repairman certificate. One only allows you to work on your specific aircraft. You'll need to attend a manufacturer's course in addition to taking the tests, and this will award you the light sport repairman certificate with an inspection rating. The second option, in addition to your maintenance experience, will require a 120-hour course to be attended, and it will authorize you to work on all light sport category aircraft that are not certified. And you can log these hours towards the remaining experience required for your full A&P certificate.